out for a test drive. Wonder why is this thing all over the road? Well, the frames broke off. Not completely. There's still a narrow little strip. That wide, holding it. Little piece down. And it's raining again. Oh well, put her in the garage. Next. Well, how about is that frame? Let's jack it up and see. Oh, look at that, she's closing right up. Getting better. Not perfect. She's actually dropped too. The frame is coming up. Well, sir. That's interesting. Oh well, we'll clean her and see what we can do. So after being a little rough on her, kind of broke the frame. But snug that back up. There we go. Now, the two lines I marked, one, the lower one is the brake line and the top one is a fuel line. Generally speaking, they're bad. So, you got about 1/8 inch behind the frame, so do some welding and try to not have a big fire. Oh, it's really bad with the sun on it and reflection, but anyway, bubble gummed her up, cleaned her off, so that's the first level. And a piece of Afton frame over it, all welded up, good to go. Let's see what she can jump off and not break now. What else I'll break instead. Just doing a little plowing, cleaning up. Fair amount of snow last night.